have already planned a one-year study that will be a prospective study, meaning that as the data come to the doctors, as we receive the images, the reports by the radiologists, etc., then we are going to input this data to the AI models that have been already previously trained and validated. And with these models, we are going to get the outputs through the platform that is going to be deployed in each clinical pilot site. And these outputs then are going to be validated by the clinicians. How meaningful they are, if they believe they are accurate enough, and if the outputs that are provided provide a specific explanation so that the clinicians can trust them. So that's the other part that we are going to evaluate. Not just how accurate the predictions are, but also how trustworthy they are. So if they make sense, if they explain how the decision-making of the algorithms is being done so that the clinicians can trust them in the end and they can use them in the process of their decision-making. In case that the model during the prospective study makes an error, an incorrect evaluation of the patient case, the doctor will have the opportunity to provide feedback so that the algorithm in the end can readjust their decision output and become more accurate in the future. So this will happen during the pilot. So in the end, when the prospective study will end, we will have a better adjusted model according to the cases that it examined. So in the future, after the clinical study is finished and we have the evaluation results, etc., and if the models are being deployed in the clinical practice, there will be always an interaction between the model and the clinician. So this means that the clinician is not substituted by the algorithm. There will be always a human oversight when the model is being there to help the decision making and to support it, not actually replacing the human factor, the clinician expertise, etc. What probably might be the case is that we are going to have the replacement of the pair between the clinician and the patient. They are going to be also somehow accompanied by a third agent, let's say in the consultation. So there might be a consultation between the patient, the clinician, and the AI agent, for example. When it comes to this decision-making process, it is up to the patient to decide how they will prefer to receive care by their physician, right? So they can choose if they want to use an AI agent as well to get consulted, but it should be always stay on the patient side to decide how they will receive care, if it's going to be AI augmented or not.